everyone. Today we're going to be talking about utilizing Hootsuite and Social Press Kit to boost your chapter's social media presence. My name is Aubrey Stamper, and I've been the ACI Digital Marketing Coordinator for the past 5 years. So you might not be familiar with Hootsuite or Social Press Kit at all. So Hootsuite is a social media management tool that allows users to schedule posts for multiple accounts across multiple platforms all at once. So we can add all of the chapter social media accounts to our Hootsuite and send out social media posts for all of them all at once. It makes it super easy to use, super quick, and it just makes it a lot more manageable to handle multiple social media accounts at once.
On the other hand, is a centralized digital hub that packages approved social media posts so that supporters, partners, and influencers can easily share a brand's message. So why is social media so important? Well, first of all, it's free. It's free to everybody. So it's a very important tool to utilize. There's approximately 6 billion people on social media, which is about 2/3 of the world's population, with so many people active on social media. That gives your chapter the opportunity to connect directly with your local audience, build awareness about your chapter, and potentially also drive growth. So social media is a very crucial platform, and by neglecting this powerful tool, you're passing up a tremendous opportunity to connect with your audience. This is just to show how many people are on each of the most popular social media platforms. As you can see, most of them are in the billions, the rest in the hundreds of millions. So I just wanted to include this as a visual to show just how many people are active on social media. So allowing ACI to post on your behalf via Hootsuite. This is for chapters who might not have the time, resources, capabilities, etc., to post to their social media often or maybe even at all. In the early stages of this initiative, ACI will only post content from Social Press Kit, which is very general ACI content focused on whatever we're promoting at the time. Like, for example, right now we're focused on the fall convention. Previously, it was 24 Hours of Concrete. So this is the type of content right now that we would be sharing to your social media pages. And we're also currently only using Facebook and LinkedIn just in these early stages. So the goal of this is to help chapters get more content on their social pages, post more consistently, and hopefully grow their pages. And if this is successful, we're hoping to be able to offer even more assistance in the future. Like, for example, more localized, personalized content for each individual chapter instead of just the general ACI content. And also assistance with more platforms besides Facebook and LinkedIn. So I did just want to quickly go through the instructions for giving ACI admin access to your accounts so that we can add you to our Hootsuite account and post on your behalf. You might have already gotten these instructions from Esther if you have already opted in to Hootsuite, but I just wanted to go over them quickly. The disclaimer here is, by doing these steps, you're allowing us to post on your social media on your behalf. But if you change your mind and no longer want to allow that, you can easily remove admin access at any point. And if you aren't already on the opt-in list or you want to be removed from that, you can email Esther and she can either add you or remove you. So first of all, for Facebook, you'll just go to your chapters page, go to settings on the left-hand menu. You'll type in page access in the search bar and then click on that. And then you'll be able to see all of the people who currently have access to your Facebook page. You'll click add new and then read that, click next, and then you'll search for the chapter socials in the search bar. This is just an account basically as the middleman between your Facebook account and our Hootsuite account. That's all that this chapter socials is used for. So you'll find that and click on it. And I just want to let everybody know that these slides will be shared after the webinar, just an FYI, as well as any links or resources in the webinar. And it's also being recorded to watch again at a later date, just an FYI. But so after you do that, you'll click give access, put in your Facebook password, enter the code that they sent to your email, and then you're done. We will be an admin on your account. You can email me to confirm that everything worked, and then I can add your chapter to our Hootsuite account and we can start posting. And then, like I said, you can easily remove access. You just click the 3 dots, remove access. That's it. Same thing with LinkedIn. Same disclaimer. By doing the following steps, you're allowing us to post on your LinkedIn account. You can remove the access at any time. And once again, you can email Esther if you'd like to be removed or added to the opt-in list. So for LinkedIn, first you'll have to search for the ACI social media account and connect with that account. LinkedIn says you don't have to technically do this first, but we've found that sometimes it's a little bit easier if you connect with the account first and become first degree connections. So you can send that without a note. And then you'll go to your chapter's LinkedIn page, click settings on the left-hand menu, go to manage admins, click add admin, very similar instructions to the Facebook instructions. You'll search for ACI social media and click on it. And like I said, if that doesn't pop up, just email me. I might have to follow your chapter's page for it to work, but it should work without doing all that. And then you'll select super admin and save. And then after you finish these steps, once again, email me, let me know so I can confirm and then add you to our Hootsuite account. And also super easy to remove admins. You click the trash can next to the person you want to remove and then click remove. So like I said, these instructions will be sent afterwards if you're interested. I just wanted to go through them quickly just to show everybody how easy it is, how simple it is. It's not complicated. But when it comes to Social Press Kit, so if there's any reason why you don't want to give us access to your accounts to post for you, you don't have to, because all of the content that we're going to be posting is also available on Social Press Kit. You can share this content with only a few clicks. You'll have, more control of what gets shared and when. But I do suggest posting this content only once a week, once every other week, because like I said, it is just general ACI content. This is what it looks like. It's broken up between a bunch of different campaigns. There is a campaign for chapters content as well. This is always updated with new, fresh content. You can scroll through, share whatever you want. You just click the share button. And then a window will pop up. You just sign into your account, LinkedIn or Facebook. Click Allow to give SPK access. And then this window will pop up. So you'll click on your name and then choose your chapters page from the drop-down menu. You would have to be an admin on your chapters account, obviously, to be able to do this. And then you can either edit the post first, say whatever you want, or you can just post it as is. And after you sign in once, you don't have to keep signing in every time. So you would just have to click share and then post, and post it with literally just a couple of clicks. So it's very quick, easy, user-friendly. And then we also wanted to discuss several different resources that are available for the chapters. If you were at the chapter leadership training last year, then you would have heard me talk about Canva. It's completely free. There are paid accounts, but you don't need one. There are free accounts. It's super easy to use, very user-friendly. I highly suggest everybody has a free Canva account, especially because on the social media toolkit for chapters, which is on the ACI website, once again, I'll send the link out afterwards. We have several graphics and Canva templates available for you to use for your social media. We also have thousands of convention photos. So every convention, the photographer takes thousands of photos. We upload all of them to Dropbox. They are available for everyone to download and use. We use them on our social media all the time, use them in graphics all the time. So that is available for everybody. Once again, the link will be sent. So I highly suggest if you have a Canva account, you download some convention photos to be able to use in your graphics, in your social media posts. They're very nice quality photos, and they're photos of ACI members, of chapter members, chapter events at convention. If you have any photos from your own chapter events, you can upload them to your Canva account and use them. That's even better. But there are a ton of resources already available for chapters to use for their social media. This is what the social media toolkit looks like on our website. So as you can see, there's some downloadable graphics, which you can use as is, or we have Canva links where you click it, then you would click View Template, open an editor, and then you have the design ready to go in Canva. You can add your own text to it. You can add your chapter's logo to it. And these are going to be updated as well. I just created a bunch of new graphics and templates to use. So this will have even more, as well as there's a list of social media content ideas on here as well. And there's also a video with video instructions. And then once you download some photos, maybe from the convention Dropbox, or download some graphics, it's super easy to get them into your Canva account. All you have to do is click Upload in the left menu when you're already in a design. Click Upload Files, upload everything, and then as you can see, everything will be in your Uploads folder, ready to use however you need. So the question that I have for everybody today is, what issues are preventing you from utilizing social media, if any? How can we help you with your social media? And what kind of content do you need? So you can answer this question right now. You can email me after the webinar and we can discuss this, but basically, how can we support you and help you when it comes to social media?
Well, thank you, Aubrey, for that. We do have a question in the chat box. Do you know if the post can be translated to Spanish, or is that something we will have to see after this webinar?
We could definitely translate them. We do have a translation team, so we could go through, and I believe there is a couple posts already translated into Spanish in the social press kit, but that's definitely an option.
Okay. Thank you.
Oh, and I also wanted to point out that we have the chapter activities LinkedIn group. We'd like this to be more active, so a place where chapters can communicate with each other, where we can post information as well and share information with the chapters. So if you're not already in the LinkedIn group, please consider joining and posting in it if you have a question or an issue, or you'd like to share something cool that your chapter did or accomplished. We'd really like to make this group on LinkedIn more active, so that's an option.